Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today fan we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth device forget setting in Tecno Mobile. So today video title is guys how can we forget guys our Bluetooth earphone to our Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to forget guys your Bluetooth earphone to your Tecno phone. So how can you forget it? In this video friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we forget guys our Bluetooth earphone device. Friends, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting I scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone guys this more connection setting guys. We will click on guys for more connection setting guys, tap here and we will click on guys our phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. So as you can see guys we have connected guys this Shibon CL company Bluetooth earphone. And friends, we want to forget guys this earphone device network, so I will right side tap here. Friends, you can see forget option guys, and friends, you can see right side this icon, tap here. Friends, you want to rename guys your Bluetooth earphone device name guys, you want to change, so you can change from here. But guys we will forget option, tap here to forget. After forget guys we cannot use guys, if we use so we will have to connect again. So like that guys we can forget guys our Bluetooth earphones to our Tecno phone. So bye guys.